What is Oersted experiment? The Oersted experiment was a scientific experiment performed by Danish physicist Hans Christian Oersted in 1820. The experiment demonstrated the relationship between electric current and magnetism, which laid the foundation for the development of electromagnetism and the modern theory of electricity. In the experiment, Oersted placed a wire carrying an electric current near a compass needle. He observed that the needle was deflected from its normal north-south orientation and moved perpendicular to the wire. When he reversed the direction of the current, the needle moved in the opposite direction. Oersted concluded that the electric current was generating a magnetic field, which was causing the deflection of the compass needle. This discovery had far-reaching implications for the development of electrical technology. It led to the development of electric motors, generators, and other devices that rely on the interaction between electric current and magnetic fields. The Oersted experiment also paved the way for the work of other scientists, including Michael Faraday and James Clerk Maxwell, who developed the modern theory of electromagnetism.